Hey guys, thanks for tuning in. We're going to start a new series. It's going to be projects for kids, and it's going to be outdoor activities, low cost. We're going to try to stick under $20 if at all possible. A lot of the projects we do aren't going to cost anything, just kind of household items. But hope you enjoy, mainly for summertime when the kids are bored, don't have anything to do. A few projects to keep them entertained and maybe learn something along the way. Thanks a lot. Hey guys, we just made a trip to Walmart. Today we're going to do a low-cost aquarium, and we're going to do it, as cheap as possible. Just went to Walmart and bought a half a gallon little tank. It was $4, $5. We got a net where that net was about $5. We're going to go to the ditch and catch some cool looking minnows and little baby perch and see what we can find there. A little bit of food. That food was $1.50, and we also have some rocks out of the ditch or out of the yard that we're going to use. And all this stuff, here's my receipt. All this stuff turned out to be, let's see, about $12. So a little low cost activity for the kids. And ready to go have some fun? Mm-hmm. All right, we'll show you the finished product here in a minute. Okay, we have our rocks washed and pretty clean. Eli's gonna put them in there. Make sure you don't get any junk. Leaves, and keep them fairly clean. All right, Eli has the water in there and the rocks. And we don't have any dechlorinator, and I'm not gonna buy any. So typically if you just let that water sit for 24 hours uncovered, the chlorine will evaporate out of it and you'll have good, safe water. All right, you ready to go catch some perch?
Yep.
Some fish?
Mm-hmm.
All right, here we go.
See if we want any of these.
All right, what you got? Let's see. Oh yeah, a couple of those are pretty. Pick you out the prettiest one.
I don't know if they're keepers.
Keepers?
I don't know.
What you think? That's a pretty one, keeper.
It's a big baby. Yeah, I got a couple of them. Nice pretty ones.
All right, buddy, here we go. For under, or about $12, we got you a little aquarium set up. We have a big crawfish, a couple of mosquito fish, a couple of tiger fish, and kept him busy for a couple of hours. So get your kid out of the house, off those video games, and outside doing something fun. Right, buddy?
Yep.
All right.